All praise is due to Allah for what He's given us for today, and in the morning that will come, we'll face the bright tomorrow. We are the children of Islam. We learn to live for Allah, and side by side we'll always stand, the Ummah of Rasulullah. As long as we believe in you, we'll never go astray. 5 times a day we stand and pray, oh ya Allah, that's what we'll say. And in the month of Ramadan, we'll fast and strengthen our iman. Oh Allah, protect us all. With your help we will not fall. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. As long as we believe in you, we'll never go astray. We walk the halls of learning to clarify our vision. The flame of truth is burning, for our faith will never die. We are the children of Islam. Together we'll stand for all of time, the Ummah of Rasulullah, the servants of only Allah. As long as we believe in you, we'll never go astray. As long as you are in our house, we'll never go astray. All praise is due to Allah for what He's given us for today, and in the morning that will come, we'll face the bright tomorrow. We are the children of Islam. We learn to live for Allah, and side by side we'll always stand, the Ummah of Rasulullah. As long as we believe in you, we'll never go astray. 5 times a day we stand and pray, oh ya Allah, that's what we'll say. And in the month of Ramadan, we'll fast and strengthen our iman. Oh Allah, protect us all. With your help we will not fall. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah.